I liked how well the bike turned out with the wash wax all, and I decided that my helmet was covered with bugs and getting pretty grimy. Probably could use some too. And should be safe for all surfaces, safe to water. So we're going to hit the button. This is a Sedici Parlare helmet that I got from Cycle Gear, but I think though it's a house brand, Revzilla and JP Cycles also carry them. They've updated the model, so there is now a Parlare 2, which overcomes some of the problems that this had of wind noise, and we'll see how that goes. Well, it looks like skipping the wet scrubbing step is leaving us with some bugs or spots, but that's easy enough to fix. So. Just wet a corner of the towel. Yeah, it looks like that may be scrapes rather than bugs. Yeah, it looks like that. It's actually on the inside, and it is. And back here in the back, these are actually places where I've dropped the helmet or scratched it or bumped it. Probably not really dropped it so much. It's got little nicks, got quite a few. So I must have been fairly rough on that. I've had this about 2 years. It's held up pretty well. Probably should do a full review on it. I'm liking it well enough that I'm considering the Parlare 2, but it's new enough and works well enough that I'm not in a hurry to get the replacement. So that will do for now. I'm going to get the bike out in the light and maybe take some pictures of it there.